Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep. You are watching EME Technologies channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's start. Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep. You are watching EME Technologies channel. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. So let's begin with our video. In this video we are going to see VTP, Virtual Trunking Protocol. Open the packet tracer first. Now take two switches. 1, 2. Connect them. Now we have to make one switch as a VTP server and other switch as a VTP client. Make the VLANs in switch 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. Make the VLANs. Enable. We have created the VLAN on switch 1. When we create the VTP on server means switch 1, then these VLANs transfer to client, that is switch 2. Means we have to create one as a server and we need not have to assign the VLANs in switch 2. So we configure F0x1 as a trunk port. Now we have to configure the VTP. So now we have to create the VTP server on switch 1. So first VTP domain name EME, then VTP mode server. Now we have to make the switch 2 as a client. We have created the VLAN in switch 1, but we can see these VLANs on switch 2 because of VTP. These are the VLANs 10, 20, 30, 40. We have created these VLAN on switch 1 and these VLANs are transferred from switch 1 to switch 2 by VTP. So this is the configuration of VTP. Thanks for watching the video. So please like, share and comment.
Please give feedback for this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.